just making another quick video here. This is another carrier style furnace. This guy is about 9 years old. So we have the inducer motor already running, and we're going to be testing the pressure switch. But we don't want the full cycle to go through. Once we see the hot surface igniter come on, you are able to pinch that hose and test it, and it will actually shut off the hot surface igniter. Again, this is another test specifically for the pressure switch that's being pulled, the vacuum being pulled from the inducer motor. It avoids the full cycle of operations, or the burners kicking on, the blower motor kicking on, and that way it makes this test nice, quick, and easy.